Okay, I will talk about question 29. Question 29. First of all, the question says that the sum of two digits positive number. So first of all, a two-digit positive number integer. That means, for example, 53. This one is two-digit, right? And we want to find the digit. For example, this one is 5. This one is 3, right? So you may let this one become x. This one become y, right? Usually the digit here for form 1, you remember the base value is the 10th digit. For the 3 here is the unit digit, or you may say ones digit, or the unit digit. Okay, but I want to tell you that for example, you know that x this time is 5, y is equal to 3, right? How can we use the x and y to talk about the original two digits integer? Usually, many of you may write down, x, y, right? But it's not correct. Because x, y mean multiplication, right? That means 5 times 3, right? It means 15 is not equal to 53, right? So how can we use the xy to talk about the 53? We need to use the base value of these cells. What does it mean? That means, for example, for x, it means we have for the 53 here, it actually means for the 5 here, it means we have $10, right? For the 3 here, we have $1, right? 53 in fact means 50 plus 3, right? So if we use back the xy, that means we can use 10x plus y to talk about this number, right? Because x have 10s as a one digit, and y in fact has 1 as a one digit, but we do not use the y. So for example, 10x plus y here, we know that is 10 times 5 plus 3. Then we can get 15 plus 3, and then we can get 53, right? Do you know what I mean? We can use we may use 10x plus 5 to talk about a two-digit number. If it is a three-digit number, for example, 135, and then we can use 100 times x plus 10 times y plus 1 z, right? Of course, you know that x is 1, y is 3, z is 5. Understand? So after you have know this concept, we can do the questions. Now, first of all, we know that we want to find the original integer, so we should let x be the 10 digits, or may say 10 digits, and y be the ones digit of the original number. Sorry, original integer. The question is asking, the term is integer, so I follow him. And then we can now write down the simultaneous equation. First of all, the sum of the digits itself, that means x plus y, right? The sum of the digits, okay, is 14. So just easy, right? The second one is a little bit difficult. If the digits are reversed, that means 53 becomes 35, right? Just reverse the digits. That means xy become yx. But we know that we should not use xy, we should use 10x plus y, right, to talk about the 53. So for here, we should use 10y plus x, right? This one is y, this one is x, this one is y, this one is x. So that means this one. From 10x to y, change to 10y plus x. The value will will decrease by 18. That means this one is bigger, this one is smaller, right? So we may write down 10x plus y, this one, minus the smaller one will become the difference is 18. Understand? This one bigger than this one by 18, right? So minus him will become 18. After you got this equation, I think the solving is easy. For application problem, make these two equations is the main concept or main point of the question. If you can make these two equations, then you can solve the equation. Then I will use, for example, substitution, because I can see this one is 1y 1x only. So from 1, x plus y is equal to 14, so x is 14 minus y, right? This one is 3. For equation 2, in fact, it can be simplified. So I simplify first from 3, 10x plus y minus 10y minus x. This one minus plus x, so minus x, remember, okay? Is equal to 18. So simplify, we got 10x minus x, 9x, plus y minus 10y is minus 9y, is 18. Okay, so this one I say equation 4. Okay, so now we can substitute equation 3 into equation 4. Okay, so we have the x become 14 minus 5, 14 minus y, minus 9y is 18. And there is 1, 2, 6 minus 18y is 18. So 18y is equal to 108. X is equal to 6. Sorry, y is equal to 6. And then substitute the answer into 3. This one is easiest. X is equal to 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Okay, so we know that the answer x is equal to 8, y is equal to 6, but we want to find is the original number, that is 86, right? So therefore the original integer is 86. Finish. Okay, these questions, the main problem is that you know how to interpret the number by the format of 10x plus y, the format of this one. Okay.